Okay friends, today again I will tell another problem which was asked in GATE 2020 exam for mechanical engineering. The question was related to the flywheel, which was a chapter in theory of machine. So the question was, a flywheel is attached to an engine to keep the rotational speed between 100 radian per second and 110 radian per second. So the maximum speed and minimum speed is given. If the energy fluctuation in the flywheel is between these two speeds is 1.05 kilojoule, then what is the moment of inertia of the flywheel? Then the question is, the moment of inertia of the flywheel is how much kg meter square. So we have to fill the blank. Now to fill the blank, what we can do, we can make the calculation. So we have to find out what is the moment of inertia, then only we can fill the gap. So according to the question, the maximum angular speed of the engine is given, which is omega 1 is equal to 110 radian per second. The minimum angular speed of the engine is omega 2, which is 100 radian per second. If we knows the maximum and minimum angular speed of the engine, then we can find out the average angular speed, which is omega is equal to 110 plus 100 divided by 2. That means that is omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 is equal to 105 radian per second. So he knows the minimum speed, maximum speed and average angular speed of the engine. Now what you can do, we can find out the coefficient of fluctuation of speed of the engine. So coefficient of fluctuation of speed Cs is equal to omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by omega. So if you put the values 110 minus 100 divided by 105, that means that will become numerator is 10 divided by denominator is 105. So Cs, coefficient of fluctuation of speed, is equal to 10 divided by 105. Let us keep it as usual. Now come for the formula for the maximum fluctuation of energy for a flywheel. The maximum fluctuation of energy for a flywheel can be calculated from the formula I into omega square into Cs. In this formula, I stand for the mass moment of inertia of the flywheel, what we have to find out, into omega square, where omega is the average angular speed and Cs is the coefficient of fluctuation of speed. Now if you put the values, that means we can make it as I is equal to EF divided by omega square into Cs. Now let us put the values. Now what is the maximum fluctuation of energy of the flywheel? That is given 1.05 kilojoule. Let us convert it into joule. So it will become 1050 joule divided by omega square into Cs. Omega is equal to, we knows already, 105 radian per second. So that is 105 square into Cs is equal to, we knows already, 10 by 105. You put it here. So what will happen? This 105, 10 divided by 105, this one will go up. So I wrote it here, 1050 into 105 divided by 105 square into 10. Now 105 value will cancel, and this is 1050 divided by denominator is 105 into 10. So 105 into 10 is again 1050. So 1050 by 1050 will get cancelled. So the answer is 1 kg meter square. So I is equal to 1 kg meter square. Then you can fill the gap now. The moment of inertia of the flywheel is 1 kg meter square.